This is my bike check for the WeThePeople Reason 2011. I'm going to do a hub sound and a little bike check because I don't really know that much about this bike. I got it yesterday, Christmas. Yeah. Nice white matte handlebars, blue matte frame, pivotal small seat, 25 tooth rocket down this side. Can't really see, my camera's a bit broke. WeThePeople, no, Salt Plus, high quality back rim. If you can see that, I don't know. It's got salt stem, salt headset, salt seat clamp. Can't really see that, but well. E-clap pedals. Salt cranks, KMC chain, salt sprocket, salt hub, and salt front hub too. Both pitch flow tires. Back is 20 times 2.10, and then the front is 20 times 2.25. Yeah, that's my bike check. Salt team grips. Salt brake lever, salt brake, and then one problem with this bike is like it's good, nice hub sound. Then when you brake, the brake's a bit poo. It makes a really loud noise. I'll show you this now. Hub sound and then the brake noise. All right.